Hi, I am Nidhi. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet my beautiful blooming flower. For this project, I am using small amounts of anchor knitting cotton in 3 colors and a size 1.1 mm hook. By the way, be sure to click on the subscribe button to get notified of new videos. To begin, take the light pink yarn. Leave a 15-inch long tail. Make a slip knot and chain 52. For row 1, skip the first chain and make a half double crochet in the next chain. Chain 1. Skip the next chain and make a half double crochet into the next chain. Chain 1. Continue to do this across the row. In the last chain, begin your half double crochet. Put the work down. Grab the off-white yarn. Hook it on the hook like this and draw through to complete the last half double crochet. Chain 3 and turn your work. Cut off the light pink yarn. Make 10 double crochets with the off-white yarn. Make the first double crochet into the previous one chain space. The next one on the half double crochet. The third one in the chain space, and then on the half double crochet. Continue till you make 10 double crochets. In the next chain 1 space, do 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, begin your half double crochet. Put the work down. Grab the light pink yarn, hook it on the hook and draw through to complete the stitch. Cut the off-white yarn. Now we are going to make the light pink petals. In each space, we are going to make 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 single crochet into the same space. We have completed the first petal. In the next space, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 single crochet. Make a total of 8 petals with the light pink yarn. On the 8th petal, we will attach the dark pink yarn. Pull through and cut the light pink yarn. We begin the dark pink petals. In the next space, make 1 single crochet, chain 3, 2 trebles, 1, and 2. Chain 3 and 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern across the row. Complete the last petal, pull up a loop and cut off. Let us check our work. The off-white, the light pink and the dark pink petals all are done. Now it's time to weave in all the ends. Pull the 15-inch tail through the tapestry needle. Now it's time to roll the flower in shape. Start from the off-white end. Turn the flower over. Begin weaving the yarn across the bottom edge of the roll flower to secure it in shape. Tie a couple of knots and cut off the yarn. This is our blooming flower. Attach it to the post with some hot glue. Our blooming flower earrings are ready to be worn. I hope this video has helped you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.